Given that the area of a rectangular field is 8,000 square feet and its length is 40 feet, find the perimeter. Let's begin by making a sketch. Let's draw the rectangle whose area is 8,000 feet, squared feet that is, and whose length is 40 feet. Because they're asking for perimeter, let's begin by writing the formula for perimeter here. Perimeter is equal to twice the length plus twice the width. Notice as we substitute that we only know the value for one of the variables, and that would be the length. We do not know the value for P, which is what we're looking for, and we do not know the value for the width, which is the second dimension for this rectangle. Therefore, we cannot solve this formula, not just yet. Since they gave us the area for this rectangular field, let's write down the formula for area of a rectangle. That would be length times width. And let's see what we can do with this. The area was given to be 8,000 square feet. So we'll substitute A with that number, 8,000 square feet. And the length was given to be 40 feet. So let's write that down. Let's replace L with 40 feet times the width. Notice that in this equation we only have one unknown, and therefore we can solve for W. So let's divide both sides of the equation by 40 feet. And that gives us W equal to 200 feet. Note that the units also work out. For example, we divide feet to the second power by feet to the first power, and our quotient would be feet to the first power, which is a linear measure, which is to be expected for the second dimension of the rectangle. Now that we have the second dimension, the width with 200 feet, we can go back to our formula for perimeter and actually substitute 200 for W. So now we can actually solve for the perimeter. So it's going to be 2 times 40 feet plus 2 times 200 feet which is equal to 80 feet plus 400 feet for a total perimeter of 480 feet. And let's box our final answer.